Hello there, little ones. Knock, knock. Who's there? Boo. Boo, hoo. Don't cry, it's just a joke. Get set for endless giggles, funny faces, and silly riddles. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. Let's laugh, dance, and have a jolly good time together.
Hello kids, are you ready for a thrilling journey? Join me in a world of colors, dancing flowers, playful creatures, and exciting adventures. Let's sing, dance, and explore together. From the sky to space, let's meet new friends, play games, and discover galaxies. Before we go, let's cook some yummy treats. Get set, smile wide, let's eat.
Hi kids, what's a cat's favorite color? Purple. Get ready for non-stop giggles, jokes, and goofy moments. Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because it was feeling crumbly. Let's laugh, make funny faces, and create our own silly stories. Join the fun. Let's have a blast together.
Hi, I'm like an owl. Owls are birds that stay up at night. They have big eyes, fly silently, and can turn their heads almost all the way around. They're great hunters and make cool hooting sounds. They're super smart and live in trees or old buildings. That's an owl.
Hey there! I'm like a penguin. Penguins are birds that swim amazingly well. They're dressed in tuxedos, waddle on land, and slide on their bellies. They live in cold places like Antarctica and huddle together to stay warm. They're super friendly and love to dance underwater. That's a penguin.
Hello, I'm like a rabbit. Rabbits have soft fur and long ears. They hop and love to munch on carrots. They're quick, friendly, and live in burrows underground. They're really good at hiding and have a great sense of smell. That's a rabbit.